Mr. Willoughby hears birdies. Little itty bitty baby pretty kitty birdies. Yeah, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy, Mr. B. Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness. No. Okay, I think it's time we head back, baby. Yeah. I love you. He's a big kitty. He's like, I don't know, I'd guess 14 pounds, 15 pounds at least. But he's a heavy boy. So it's kind of hard to carry it, because when I carried a backpack in middle school and high school, I put my clarinet case in it. And it was way too heavy. I didn't know it at the time, but it was way too heavy for me. It caused like back problems. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to like keep my core like tightened and like everything level. And I'm kind of trying to do like a heel toe like you do in marching band to kind of keep my pace. Sorry, you can't really see Willoughby right now, but he's wiggling a little bit, so I also have to keep that in mind. He just meowed. Yes, I know, we're going home.